Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the currency type in the Airpaz application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find three lines. Press on them. After doing so, at the bottom half of the list you will find the settings option. Press on it. And here you can see the second option, which is currency. Press on it as well. And here you can change basically the currency type to any of the following ones that are on the list. Now the list is pretty huge, so more than likely you're going to find the currency type that you're looking for. And if you found it, you just click on it, for example the Icelandic krona, and you can see that it was instantly changed. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.